Step into a world of pure imagination with the timeless classic film, Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Released in 1971, this cinematic gem has endured through the years, leaving an indelible mark on the film industry. What enduring qualities make it a symbol of cinematic excellence? As we delve into the cinematic journey, consider whether there's a particular scene or moment that has left a lasting impact on you. The movie's charm lies not just in its whimsical narrative, but in the ability of certain moments to resonate with audiences across generations. Setting the stage for our exploration of this cinematic wonder, let's unravel some fascinating tidbits about the show. Did you know that the iconic chocolate river was made of real chocolate mixed with water, creating a delectable but challenging set for the cast? Now, think back to your most cherished memory or personal experience related to this beloved film. Was it the first time you encountered the magical world within the factory's walls, or perhaps a shared viewing experience with loved ones? We'd love to hear your stories and memories in the comments below. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, where every scene is a sweet concoction of imagination and wonder. What enduring qualities captivate you, and is there a scene that lingers in your memory? Share your thoughts and memories below. Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, a timeless cinematic gem from 1971, originated from Roald Dahl's beloved novel Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The whimsical tale follows Charlie Bucket, a humble boy with a heart of gold, as he wins a golden ticket granting him access to the enigmatic Willy Wonka's magical chocolate factory. Led by the eccentric and captivating Gene Wilder as Willy Wonka, the film unfolds in a fantastical world filled with peculiar Oompa Loompas, lickable wallpaper, and everlasting gobstoppers. The film's unique blend of fantasy and dark humor, coupled with Wilder's iconic performance, creates an unforgettable cinematic experience. The characters, including the spoiled Veruca Salt, gluttonous Augustus Gloop, and mischievous Mike Teevee, contribute to the film's enduring charm. The movie's impact on popular culture endures through its timeless quotes, unforgettable scenes, and the enduring appeal of its eccentric characters. With its delightful soundtrack and imaginative visuals, Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory remains a cinematic masterpiece that continues to enchant audiences across generations, a testament to the enduring magic of Roald Dahl's imagination, beautifully brought to life on the screen by director Mel Stuart, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of viewers worldwide. Gene Wilder, who portrayed the enigmatic Willy Wonka, left his mark on the 1971 cinematic masterpiece through subtle yet impactful contributions. Notably, Wilder had a say in Wonka's distinctive wardrobe. He opted for tan bottle pants instead of green and shortened the iconic top hat. These alterations, though seemingly minor, added to the character's whimsical allure. Interestingly, during the filming of a crucial scene, even Julie Dawn Cole, the actress behind the spoiled Veruca Salt, was genuinely fooled. In the DVD commentary, she revealed that she believed Wilder had injured his leg for real when Willy Wonka limped out to greet the golden ticket winners. This unexpected and genuine reaction from Cole and the audience at large speaks volumes about the immersive nature of the film. Further insights into the behind-the-scenes creativity emerged from Julie Dawn Cole's memoir. The Inventing Room's mixing bike, initially intended for an Oompa Loompa, faced a challenge during filming. None of the Oompa Loompas had legs long enough to reach the pedals. The solution? Gene Wilder himself pedaled the contraption while singing Sweet Lovers Love the Springtime. This inventive workaround showcases the collaborative effort that went into bringing the fantastical elements of the Chocolate Factory to life. In conclusion, the 1971 movie Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory thrived on the collaborative spirit of its cast and crew. Gene Wilder's input on Wonka's appearance and his on-screen antics, combined with genuine reactions from fellow actors, contributed to the enduring magic of this cinematic gem. In the 1971 cinematic adaptation of Roald Dahl's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, various behind-the-scenes details contribute to the film's enduring charm. Notably, the final Oompa Loompa song, a pivotal moment in the movie, required an astonishing 50 takes to achieve the desired result. This dedication to perfection showcases the meticulous effort invested in bringing the whimsical world of Willy Wonka to life.
Adding an unexpected layer to the film's script, screenwriter David Seltzer introduced literary quotations not present in Dahl's original work.
These quotes, ranging from Shakespeare to Wilder, offer a unique dimension to Wonka's character, enriching the narrative with layers of meaning and cultural references. Seltzer's decision to weave these quotes into the screenplay demonstrates a thoughtful approach to adapting Dahl's beloved tale. On a different note, the age incongruity between Grandpa Joe in the novel and actor Jack Albertson in the film is an interesting facet. In the source material, Grandpa Joe is described as 96 years old, while Albertson, who portrayed the character, was 63 at the time of filming. This casting choice adds a layer of artistic interpretation to the character dynamics, emphasizing the essence of storytelling over strict adherence to age details. In conclusion, the 1971 adaptation of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is not merely a faithful rendering of Dahl's novel, but a cinematic venture enriched by meticulous craftsmanship and creative choices. The dedication to perfecting details, the inclusion of literary quotes, and the subtle shifts in character portrayal all contribute to the enduring allure of this cinematic gem. The production of the iconic film took an unexpected turn when the search for Oompa Loompas led the producers outside of Germany. Although the movie was shot in Munich, the recruitment process for the little people took them beyond German borders. Consequently, some of the Oompa Loompas cast faced a language barrier, with limited English fluency or none at all. This linguistic challenge became apparent during musical numbers, where some Oompa Loompas seemed unfamiliar with the lyrics, adding an unintentional quirk to the film. Beyond the language hurdle, Julie Dawn Cole, the actress portraying the spoiled Veruca Salt, drew inspiration for her character from real-life experiences. Cole based Veruca's personality on girls from her private school whom she genuinely couldn't stand. This personal touch brought a unique authenticity to Veruca's portrayal, contributing to the depth of the character in the 1971 cinematic adaptation. In a clever technical maneuver, the crew used footage from a Munich traffic tunnel to create the illusion of movement during the boat scene. The projection technique added a dynamic visual element to the film, enhancing the whimsical and fantastical nature of the journey through the chocolate factory. These behind-the-scenes insights shed light on the diverse challenges and creative decisions that shaped the timeless cinematic gem we know today. From language barriers among the Oompa Loompas to personal inspirations for character portrayals and inventive filming techniques, each aspect contributes to the unique charm of the 1971 movie, making it a standout in cinematic history. So, next time you revisit this classic, remember the fascinating stories behind the scenes that made it all possible. As we bid adieu to the enchanting world of pure imagination that unfolded in this cinematic masterpiece, let the echoes of Willy Wonka's whimsical factory linger in your mind like the sweet taste of a golden ticket. Your journey through this fantastical realm may have been filled with eccentric characters, chocolate rivers, and everlasting gobstoppers, but it doesn't end here. Take a moment to reflect on the flickering magic that transcends the silver screen. Perhaps it's the mischievous glint in Gene Wilder's eyes or the timeless allure of a world where dreams come wrapped in golden foil. What lingers in your thoughts? Is it the palpable sense of wonder, the heartwarming triumph of Charlie, or the deliciously dark humor that still tickles your imagination? In the spirit of everlasting curiosity, share your cherished memories and musings about this celluloid classic. Whether it's the nostalgia of a childhood viewing or a recent discovery that sparked newfound joy, let the confectionery conundrum of Willy Wonka be a catalyst for connection. Bond with fellow dreamers over the enduring charm of a tale that continues to stir the imagination across generations. As you embark on this journey of reminiscence, remember that the magic of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory lies not only within the frames of the film, but also in the shared experiences and emotions it has woven into the tapestry of our lives. Thank you for joining us on this whimsical excursion and for sharing the sweetness of your memories. Until the next adventure, keep dreaming, creating, and savoring the golden moments.